Today we're in the Capasso factory in Johannesburg to see how they make cardboard boxes. Now this factory produces cardboard from scratch, and then they design and make cardboard boxes of all shapes and sizes for the South African market. There's a lot to see, so let's get straight to it. The basic material used to make cardboard is paper. This arrives at the factory in large rolls which are handled and moved around the factory by forklift trucks fitted with special arms. The cardboard manufacturing machine is huge, costing over 200 million rand, and is imported from Italy. Rolls of paper are placed onto a feeder system which loads them into the machine. The paper is loaded onto real stacks and prepared to be fed into the machine. To make single-wall cardboard, they sandwich a sheet of corrugated paper between an inner liner, which will be the inside of the box, and an outer liner, which will be the outside of the box. To corrugate the paper, it is pressed between a corrugated roller like this one here and a pressure roller at high pressure and temperature. This creates a crinkle in the paper, which is referred to as a corrugation. This corrugated paper will form the center of the cardboard and give it strength. Starch is used as a glue to join the sheets of paper together. Here, enormous bags of powdered starch are loaded onto a mixing machine. The starch powder is mixed with water and other additives to produce an adhesive of the correct consistency. The adhesive is applied to the paper as it passes over a roller that is coated with adhesive. The paper is heated to between 65 and 85 degrees Celsius by heated rollers. The heat turns the starch into a gel, bonding the two paper sheets firmly together. A double backer machine applies an outer liner, which will become the outside of the box, and a very long sheet of cardboard is formed. The machine works at very high speed. Here it slows down from producing over 210 meters of cardboard each minute. The long sheet of cardboard passes through a series of hot plates where the three sheets of paper are bonded together at high temperature and also at high pressure from the rollers. It's slit to the desired width and cut to the correct length. Designing a box is an art. It must be of exactly the right height, width and length, and constructed from cardboard of a suitable strength and weight. It also needs to be cost-effective for the final user. Firstly, a design is created using CAD software. CAD stands for Computer Aided Design. Once complete, the design details are fed into the computer of an automated cutting table. The software controls the creasing and cutting tools, which create all the cutouts and creases necessary to make that particular box. This box has been designed to carry export grapes. Both the inner and the outer liners must have a fair resistance to moisture. Once the design has been perfected, it's loaded into the computer of a converter machine. This machine converts sheets of cardboard into boxes. The first section prints the color of the box as well as all of the information and design elements onto the cardboard sheets. As it exits the machine, it's creased and cut to shape. The factory can produce over 200 tons of cardboard boxes each day to supply the enormous demand of the South African market. Here, regular slotted cartons are made in a machine that uses glue to join the sides. Other designs use die-cut machinery to make boxes that fit together without needing to be glued. Over 5,000 tons of paper are kept in stock to ensure that the machines keep operating without pause 24 hours a day. Using a computer, the variety of cardboard box design is almost limitless. Now there's an interesting job, cardboard box designer. Well, I hope that you've enjoyed the movie. I'll see you in another one soon.